Welcome back, stalkers. Man, I'm so pleased. Y'all seen that last video where I took it out for the first test drive? And in that last video, I said I got to take the rear tires on it off to get it out of the front door. Well, it goes through the door. It peeled the weather stripping off, you know, 16 inches and below. But it will go through the front door with the big wheels on. So I'm so thankful because it's another 100+ degree day outside, and there's no way I'm going to work on it sitting on the front porch. I about died last time I was out there and getting it ready to go just for the test drive. No, I don't want to sit outside and work. You know what? I'll break the son of a bitch even more. I got to looking at this, and I went ahead and I just decided to set it up and see what it looks like. With the cover on it. Now, regardless, this shiny stuff just, it makes me want to puke. You know what? I'm actually working on something, so look. I can't even hold on to the damn piece of paper. I'm going to have to give me a block. Oh, what is David doing? Oh, I'm messing up that paint job. Oh, that red paint job. What happened to that red paint job? Well, to be honest with you, it's broke here. So, it's got cracks in it. I've got some Gorilla Glue epoxy. I'm fixing to get in there, and I've already sanded them down. I'm going to clean them up, and I'm going to epoxy them and fix these cracks. And then, you know, this thing's going to get some black rust beauty to it. When it comes to rat rods, ladies and gentlemen, flat black is the standard. But I got to digging around in my arsenal, and I used satin black over there on Hell's Conspiracy, and I really liked it. And lo and behold, I got satin black. So, y'all see what's coming? It's gonna happen. But would you look at the stance of that? This thing don't look like no normal mobility scooter. That Bow Whiz touch does it every time, don't it, ladies and gentlemen? I stayed up till 2 o'clock in the morning sitting in this chair right here, staring at this thing because it is so clean and now perfect in my eyes. Some of y'all don't dig this shit, and I understand that. Everybody has their own taste. But ever since I watched Mad Max, The Road Warrior, I was sold on that style. I love the demolition and, you know, the desperation of trying to survive in a wasteland. You know, if you remember in the movie, there was a crippled guy that was a mechanic. They had a sling for him and moved him all around. Yep, I would be that guy. Well, I'm going to get the sand in here and get this thing. Well, I'm going to go ahead and epoxy it first. I can sand it later. Well, wait a minute. I can do it all at once. Give me a second here to get organized. I'm going to set the camera up so y'all can watch, okay? I don't like this look right here. See how that little point comes down? I say we take care of this. This is a good thing about rat rods. You can just figure it out as you go. That looks so much better. That little point is gone. Actually, I ought to cut it right there, but I'm gonna leave that. I want to leave some meat. And see, it makes it more uniform right here. That looks so much better. In the beginning, there was no way you were going to slide an impact driver up under this thing. Don't it look so good murdered out? There's something about black. Oh, I love it on hot rods. It sure is fun building these type of projects. Damn, I'm hungry. It's called a Rat Roller HD. Y'all watch me build it. Man, this thing's sweet. I like how it ended up using the original body work, cut the floorboard out, use the back half, just like you would an old coupe. So many people taking old 432 coupes and shit like that, and they build rat rods out of them. This a rat rod? It's a mobility scooter, but it's a rat rod. And it ain't done yet. There's more coming, so tune back in for the next episode of Bo Wiz Builds, y'all, where I build unusual shit.